Nakakita ka na ba sa Antipolo ng modern duplex, two-story house with loft provision kaya para na rin gang third floor, na 2.65 million pesos lang? Yes, in just 2.65 million pesos kasama na titulo, move-in fee, ay mapapasa iyo na ang aming newest, and very affordable house and lot, and again this is just located in Antipolo. Pinakamura sa Antipolo na matatagpuan sa boundary ng Antipolo at Teresa. Located sa sitio Abuyod, Barangay San Jose, Antipolo City. For only 12,917 pesos na monthly down payment, ay magkakaroon ka na ng flood-free, landslide-free, at far from the fault line na house and lot. Hindi ka nalalayo pa. Because Antipolo offers a variety of attractions, from historical sites, museums to nature parks and other recreational spots, and lots of overlooking cafes and restaurants. Here's our sample dress-up unit. We have a lot area of 54 square meters, at floor area na 62.9 square meters. We have our living and dining area, 1 toilet and bath, service area, mini balcony, provision up to 4 bedroom when you maximize our loft provision, and 1 carport. Amenities includes a gated community, with 24-hour security, clubhouse, basketball court, playground, and swimming pool. Reserved now for 10,000 pesos only. Hurry and avail our proven, flood-free location. Book your site viewing now and we're happy to assist you.